Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the problem from trial balance accountancy first year. This problem you will find in your accountancy first year Telugu Academy textbook, page number 210, question number 14. Before solving the problem, you have to know and you have to keep in mind 2 points. The note 1 or point number 1, you can say assets and expenses shows debit balances, which means whenever you are writing assets in particulars, you have to write the balance of that particular asset in debit column, because asset shows and expenses shows debit balances. So you have to write in a debit column the amount of particular asset, whereas liabilities and income shows credit balances. So whenever you find in question liabilities or incomes, you have to write that amount in credit column. These 2 points you have to keep in mind before solving any trial balance problem. A trial balance consists of 4 columns: particulars, LF, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees. There are 4 columns in trial balance: particulars, LF, debit amount rupees and credit amount rupees. Let's see problem number 14, which is on page number 210. Prepare trial balance of N and Rao from the following. So, trial balance of N and Rao. Cash at bank 42,000 rupees. So, cash at bank is nothing but an asset. Cash at bank, how much is the amount? 42,000, and it's an asset. As you know that asset shows debit balances. So, cash at bank is an asset and you are writing that on a debit side, 42,000 rupees. Salaries. So, you are paying salaries. Salaries is an expense for you, you are paying the salaries. So, which means it's an expense to you. Assets and expense shows debit balance, means you have to write that amount in debit column. Salaries, how much? 30,000. Sales is 3,50,000. Sales comes under trading account credit side. So, sales shows credit balance, because whenever you do sales, income generates. As you know, liabilities and incomes shows credit balance. So, you have to write sales balance on credit side. How much? 3,50,000. Plant is an asset. So, you have to write the balance. In particulars, you write the name of the asset. Plant, how much? 40,000 rupees plant purchased. So, plant is an asset for you. Asset shows debit balance. That is why write the amount in debit column. 40,000, plant 40,000. Bills receivable. Bills receivable means you have to collect the bills, which means it's an asset for you. Bills receivable, how much? 45,000. It's an asset, that is why you have to write in a debit column. Fixed deposits. How much is the fixed deposit? 60,000 rupees. Fixed deposit and is an asset. Fixed deposits 60,000. Purchases 2,80,000 rupees. Purchases is an expense, and expense shows debit balance. Purchases 2,80,000. Opening stock 30,000. Here in this question, page number 210, question number 14, misprinting means typing mistake is occurred, so you have to rectify it. It has given in the question clothing stock, which is wrong. Actually, it's opening stock. So, opening stock 30,000. Opening stock 30,000 comes under debit balances. Bills payable 37,000. bills payable. You need to pay the bills means it's a liability for you, and liability shows credit balance. How much is the amount? 37,000. Capital is 1,40,000. Capital is a liability for you, so you have to write on a credit column how much? 1,40,000. So you have to aggregate the trial balance, then you will come to know the total of debit column and credit column. If the total of debit column and credit column is same, then your answer is correct. You need to aggregate the debit and credit column. Let's see. Yes, debit balances amount. Let's look at your debit. 42,000, 30,000, 40,000, 45,000, 60,000, 2,80,000 and 30,000. 0, 0, 0, 7, 7, 12, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 8, 29, 29, 30, 32, carry 3, 5. 5,27,000 is the total of debit side. What you have done? Add here. And what about the credit side? This is the debit side total. 3,50,000, 37,000, 1,40,000, 12, carry 1, 4, 5. Yes, 5,27,000. 5,27,000 is the total of debit. 5,27,000 is the total of credit, which means your balance is agreed. So N Rao trial balance is agreed. How much is the amount means? 5,27,000. 5,27,000. This is your answer. So before solving any problem, you have to keep in mind 2 points: assets and expenses. You have to write in a debit column. The amount of assets and expenses you have to write in debit column, whereas the amount of liabilities and incomes you have to write in a credit column. These are all assets what you have written over here, and these are all liabilities or expenses you have written in a credit column. After writing all the assets, liabilities, incomes and expenses, add the debit, all the amount of debit and all the amount of credit. So here we have done in the working notes. So how much of the debit total is 5,27,000? How much is the credit total? Is 5,27,000. Look at the agreed trial balance of N Rao. If debit and credit total is same, then your trial balance is correct. Thank you.